Hi guys, my name is Antonio. So in this video, we will be talking about angles. So let's go to the tutorial.
Let's talk about angles in Drawing 3.0. The Angle tool is the third one from the top in the Tools menu. When you click it, an Angle Mode selector appears below. It contains three angle options: Default, Single, and Path. Notice that when you select each option, a message follows your cursor, guiding you on what to do for the tool to work properly. The default works as a shortcut for the path option. They behave in a similar way, but with a few specific differences that I'll show throughout this tutorial. When you select a vertex, the tool automatically selects the two edges connected to that vertex and its opposite one. The red line indicates the fixed point, the side from which the angle will move. If you want the angle to move to the opposite side, just click the red button to switch the starting vertex. Here, the red line shifts from the upper left corner to the inner left vertex, indicating the new reference point. The single option works by selecting one vertex. Only the edge connected to that vertex will move from the selected point. If you'd like to adjust other corners, you can do that too. Just select the vertex you want to modify. For example, let's use the same one we were using a moment ago, the inner left vertex. I'll move its line to 67.5 degrees and then back to 135 degrees. If you prefer, you can type the angle manually down here. And something that's available in single but not in default or path is the edge size. It lets you change the length of that edge while adjusting the angle position at the same time. As you can see on the countertop, I've set the angle to 120 degrees and the edge size to 60 for this vertex. The next vertex is automatically selected, and you can edit each vertex to your preference. The path option works the same way as the default, but the difference is that to move the angle, you need to select one edge first and then a secondary edge. It can be any side, but in this case, I'll choose the opposite edge. Just like in the default option, the red line stays on the corner of the selected edge. This side will move the angle of the selected edges from that point. And if you want the angle to move from the edge on the opposite side, just click the red button. It will automatically switch to the other end. The orange button inverts the path between the selected edges, reversing their direction. When you click it, the active edges automatically change, allowing you to adjust the angle from the opposite direction. From here, you can move the angle which follows the active side of the red line on the selected edge. I'll switch the side again and set the right edge of my countertop to the same angle as the left one, 135 degrees. And that's it. I hope you like the final result. See you in the next tutorial, folks.
I hope this video helped you guys, and if you have any doubts, you can contact the support team. And if you are new at SlabWare, you can go inside SlabWare.com and start a free trial right now.